Hey, what's up, Digibyte holders? How are you? Hope you have a good day, my friends. What's the current price of Digibyte? What's the price change in the Digibyte? My friends, in this video, I will show you the latest update of DGB Coin. So keep watching this video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button. Also, like this video, my friends. At this time, my friends, the latest price of the DGB Coin in the market is 0.05 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of DGB coin in the market. On the other side, if you look the price of the BTC of the DGB coin, so the price is very low. 24 hours trading volume, market cap, total supply, available supply, every update is present on the front of your eyes, my friends. My friends, on the other side, if you look the price changes of the DGB coin, so the price of the DGB coin at this time is going good. In the previous time also going good. You can see here, my friends, the last 1 week pricing is positive, last 1 hour pricing is positive. Only the yesterday, the last 24 hours pricing is positive. I mean that the yesterday pricing is negative. So you know what, my friends, from the yesterday the people are so disappointed by the DGB coin, my friends. When the DGB coin price falls down, so they understand that DGB coin going wrong and we are losing our money. But my friends, they don't know that every cryptocurrency falls down for a little time, for 2 days, for 1 week, maybe for 1 month. Every cryptocurrency falls down, my friends. Same like that, the DGB coin falls down yesterday for a little time, but the people are disappointed from a DGB coin and they decide to sell, and now in this time they are in the loss. You can see here, this time they again start jumping, so you have to hold, my friends. You have to wait. You know what, my friends, my prediction about DGB coin is 100% positive. I believe that they will take a huge pump in the end of this month. In the end of this month, there is a lot of chances to they will take a huge pump and they will give you good amount of profit, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about DGB coin? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel, my friends.